What's up, guys? Welcome back to day 75 of 365. Yesterday I thought it was 75. Apparently I was a day off, so today's day 75. Today we're polishing the truck. Today we're going to use a two-step Adams polish. I've had this polish for years, so I'm hoping it still works. My brother-in-law borrowed my polisher, my compound, so I just cleaned them up after letting him borrow them. And we're going to go ahead and try to polish my truck. We're going to start with the door and fender, see how it goes. It's been a few years since I've polished a vehicle, so bear with me. Let's get right into it. All right, so first off, I'm going to start by putting a tape line down the center of the door here, just because I do want to compare before and after. So we're going to do that right now. It's, like I say, it's been a while since I've done some paint correction. Maybe if this goes well, I'll start offering it again. I was for a little bit years ago on the side. So maybe if this goes well, if you guys need some done, you can get it done through me. Okay, so this is after about a few minutes. You guys can tell the difference there. How hazy that is. How nice that is already. And that's not nearly there. Like, there's still big scratches here and stuff, but that is definitely a lot better. But I do think this thing's about to die. I don't know if you guys could tell in that time lapse, but as I'm going, there's just like a white light here. And what that is it's sparking like crazy from the inside. It sounds like it smells like melting plastic. I think this thing's about to die. So we're going to try to go as long as we can until this guy dies. Whatever. Is what it is. I didn't realize that this thing was that close to death, but just got it back and just started playing with it, and she's about to give up on life. So I guess we need to invest in a new polisher. Well, I just took it apart. Couldn't actually find a thing, but I played around with a few things, and it still smells bad, but I wish you guys could smell it because it'd be hilarious. But we got it going, so let's get polishing. We're going to polish this door and see what we can make happen, how long until she dies again. So if anyone knows a company that wants to sponsor a new polisher, let me know. Maybe Adam's Polishes, because that's what I have here for compounds. Adam, you guys follow us. Hook us up. Here's a good before and after. Obviously, this can be better yet. This can, we can get rid of some of these scratches that are here. We can go deeper, but I don't know if I actually need to. I'm going to be wrapping this truck soon. I just want it better than this, and we're definitely achieving better than this. Feel that with me. Just go ahead, feel it with me. And now feel that with me. Yeah. So, we're definitely improving. That's a huge, very dramatic difference. Okay, update. Put some more compound on and thought we were going to be able to continue on. Hitting the trigger, thing does nothing. So we're going to take this thing apart and see if we can see what's wrong with it. Maybe we can get it working. Maybe we can't. That's all right. It is what it is. Might just be out of luck for polishing the truck today. Whatever. Another day of disappointment. This thing also just started having a weird backfire the other day, and I cannot figure out what's going on with that. So if anyone knows 5.3s and why they have a, not backfire, a slight misfire, let me know. here is the difference. There we go. That part of the door is done. This part of the door is not.
It's not. That all black stuff have to be clear. Black.
Before, after. No, before, after. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and probably do the rest of this off camera, maybe do some time lapse. So if you guys see some time lapse at the end of this video, I time lapsed it. If not, thank you guys for sticking around and watching a little bit of how I polish and how I used to polish. I don't do a lot of it now, but maybe I'll start doing it again. I don't know. Thank you guys for watching day 75 of 365. We got another one coming for you guys tomorrow and the day after, because Brooklyn says I can't quit.
Yeah.
Thank you guys anyway. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. See you guys tomorrow.